So listen guys, I know I said no more unboxings, but I promise this isn't what it looks like. So it's no secret, we keep having this conversation here in the luxury space of quiet luxury, increasing bag prices. Well, I think I have found a bag from a company that answers all of the above. Also, make sure to stay till the very end to get your own special code towards Ateliers Auguste. But listen, for full transparency before we dive in, yes, this bag was gifted to me by the very generous team at Atelier Auguste. I just wanted to be upfront about that because I think here in the content creator space, it can be easy to get swept up into all the offers, all the emails. Like if I had $1 for every collab offer I got, I'd be a very rich man. However, I don't want to do that with my platform here. So what I like to do when a company reaches out, I like to research the company, see, like their materials, how everything's sourced, how it's made, like price points, like is this something I want to put my name on? And after doing a weekend of research, I decided that yes, this in fact was something that I was willing to share with you guys, and I'm so happy I did. This bag is stunning. But before we get started, hey guys, my name's Caleb. I post luxury and lifestyle related content every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. If that's something you're into, consider hitting the subscribe button down below. And if you want to join the membership, hit the join button. It's going to give you more information about the memberships, the tiers, the Discord, and all of the fun that could be right at your fingertips. So for those of you that are unfamiliar with Atelier Auguste, they are from Paris with love. So the bags are all designed in Paris, handmade in Italy, and they are oh so beautiful. Something about the company's ethos that really stuck out to me, they say at Atelier Auguste, we look for the perfect balance between quality, sustainability, and design, which I mean these days is super important. Now design-wise, it's very similar to like what you would see at like the Celine, the Row, that kind of like minimalist, but yet still trendy, chic kind of vibe. I'm 100% here for it. So when they reached out, I was super excited and they sent me this cute card. Bonjour, Caleb. We hope you will love your new companion. The bag was designed in our studio in Paris and made with the finest leather in Italy. We can't wait to see your video review. Enjoy, Atelier Auguste team. Thank you guys. Anyway, I've beat around the bush enough. Let's dive in. First off, the dust bag is beautiful. It's a nice, soft cotton linen vibe, which I'm 100% here for. You know that a dust bag can tell you a lot about the bag inside, and so far, it's passing the vibe check. Now, they told me that I could pick whatever bag I wanted, and I chose something from the gold edition, because why not? It's the top of the line, right? So the bag that I got was the Alma Baguette in the color tan. And for full transparency, this is not a new unboxing. Listen, I've carried this for a couple of days. I carried this Sunday when we went out and about to shop for a birthday gift, and I loved it. I also carried it to work on Monday, and it fit all of my essentials in there, which I'm going to show you here in a little bit. And I mean, it is just like the perfect bag. Now, what's so special about the gold edition, you ask? Love that about you. Stay curious. First of all, the clasp here on the front. Now, a lot of their bags, they are all about minimal design. Actually, real quick, the company was founded by two brothers in 2012 with an appreciation for design and architecture, and you can definitely see that throughout all the designs in their collection. However, the gold edition comes with this special gold buckle here on the front, which is plated with 3 microns of gold. Kind of a vibe, right? Like, you can't even get real gold at Chanel anymore. Hello. And the best part, this only costs $660. Designed in Paris, made in Italy, $660. Like, what? A little bit more about the company too. I did more research. They actually have a showroom in La Marais, and yes, I'm a stalker. I went full Google Maps Street View on them. The showroom is a vibe. It's very clear that the brothers really care about architecture because the showroom itself is like beautifully thought out, beautiful materials. The black and brown bags really popped. 100% a vibe. And in fact, when Zane and I go back to Paris, I want to stop by the showroom and check out the Monceau bag, which is amazing. It's very similar to the box bag from Celine a couple years ago. Check it out. So something else special about the gold edition bags from Atelier Auguste, aside from the beautiful gold, which now that I'm looking at it more looks like the little thing on Meowth's head. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments or if I'm just a total nerd, but 100% giving Meowth vibes. Anyway, the leather itself is stunning. So with the gold edition, you get beautiful box calf leather. Now, they only use leather that's sourced from Italian tanneries that are both used in the food industry and whatnot. They're also REACH and LWG certified, which is super important to me because I think it's easy for anyone to design a pretty bag and slap a price point on it. But like, what are we paying for? Are they ethically sourced? Are they, ethically made? That's a big consideration, especially in today's, capitalist society where everything's just like, oh, one and done, throw away. They use small family leather shops to construct these bags, and the quality is superb, especially at the price point. Aside from the beautiful exterior, the magnetic clasp. So this clasp it's strong without being too strong. Like, the YSL, I think it's like the Nikki bags. That magnet's not going anywhere. In fact, a couple of my YSL bags, the magnet, I'm afraid I'm gonna rip the leather out of the backside with the magnet. This one though, it's the perfect mix of both. So you have a nice sturdy clasp and then it finds the magnet every single time. Kind of a fun sound too. Anyway, the interior, super spacious. I was able to get all of my daily essentials in here and have a little bit of wiggle room. There's also 2 pockets on the inside. You'll have 1 leather slip pocket on the front, which is stamped, designed in Paris, made in Italy. Kind of a flex. It's giving Apple vibes, designed in California, made in China. Anyone? The back pocket also another slip pocket just done in the Alcantara lining. The construction of this bag is truly stunning, and what I liked most about this one is the chain. As you know, in my collection, the only bag I have with chain is my Marmont camera bag. So I wanted this whole chain effect, and I quite like it. So much like your Chanel's, your YSL's with chains, you're going to have a couple of different ways you can carry it. You can do it with it kind of doubled up for like a short shoulder, top handle carry moment, or you can lengthen it and go full shoulder. Now, listen, I've complained about it before. I have like sad sloping shoulders. Normally a shoulder bag doesn't work for me. It just slides right off. It's a problem, it's a pain. This stayed on my shoulder all day long, which was 100% a vibe. I just put it on my shoulder, kind of tucked it behind my back, hand in my pocket. Chill Parisian chic. Also, I liked carrying this as a clutch too. I just kind of like let the chain dangle down the back. Clutch moment, 100%. It is literally the perfect size. It comes in 2 colors. You can have either the gold tan color that I have here, or it also comes in a black. The black is currently sold out. Otherwise, that may have been my first choice. We all know I have an affinity for a good black bag. I don't have a lot of browns, so I'm kind of glad that this was in stock because I don't know, it kind of forced me to go out of my comfort zone a little bit with the color. Let's take a quick moment. I'll show you everything that fits inside, which quite honestly surprised me. You can get a full-size wallet in here. And we'll also peel the sticker off the front. All right, guys, let's take a closer look at the Alma baguette. So once you get beyond the beautiful magnetic clasp, which is bathed in real gold, the interior is just going to be Alcantara lining. You'll have 1 Alcantara pocket here in the back, and at the front, another leather slip pocket, which, I mean, they're slip pockets. They're not gonna hold a whole lot, but it's still nice to have. You can slip your tickets into it and whatnot. So now that we've seen the interior up close and personal, let's see what all is actually gonna fit. This is just some of the stuff that I need. Like, this is the bare essentials I need to get through the day running around in the city. So what I love most about this bag is that it actually fits my full-size Louis Vuitton Brazza wallet. And the monogram, 100% a vibe, looks amazing with this saddle color leather. Let's see, I usually like to build my stuff around my wallet inside anyway. It slides right in. Look at all that room, you guys. Next up, just for ease of access, I like to carry some Advil when I'm out and about. I get headaches, it is what it is. We'll slide that back here. Next to that, let's do our keys. This is the Prada 6-key holder in the tessuto nylon. Gum, I mean, hello, I'm not going anywhere without gum, so regardless, that's going in. I also like to carry my Shiseido Urban Environment Oil-Free UV Protector Broad Spectrum SPF 42 for face, which is water resistant up to 40 minutes. Sunscreen 42, link will be down below. My Hermès chapstick, the key to the car, Shiseido blotting papers, those will slide right on in. And I wear glasses, obviously, so let's get a glasses cloth down in there. And that is everything inside the Atelier Auguste Alma baguette. You have to admit, this is a very fabulous bag. Now listen, full transparency, like I said before, I'm not just gonna slap my name on anything. I'm not getting paid for this. I don't even get any kickbacks for the code that you can use. I truly love the bag. Like it's everything I've been looking for in just like a simple weekend bag. I can throw it on the shoulder. I can, carry it top handle. It fits a lot of needs, and especially at a really good price point. I think that if you slapped another label on this bag, easily $2,000 probably at any other design house. What I love about Atelier Auguste is that they've really thought about, I don't know, it's a very intentional design. It's very minimalist, it's very architectural, it's interesting, and you can tell at first glance that it's a decent quality bag. And I think this would be right at home in my collection among my other bags. Yeah. 100% a vibe. And I don't know, it's just such a vibe, and I'm so pleased that the team reached out to me and offered to send me this gorgeous bag. Let me know down in the comments, use my code caleb10, all caps. You're gonna get 10% off of your order, which $660, it's 66 bucks. That's tax basically. where I live. Let me know what you get. They have some beautiful models. The Monceau was my favorite. They also have the Marley top handle bag, which is kind of giving like Kelly vibes almost, the single top handle, the flap. They have the Alma baguette, which I cannot recommend enough. Now, low key, I was hoping they'd reach out because I've been watching some other unboxings. Jessie Style just did one. I think Hello Catwalk City. Like a few creators have done reviews and unboxings on this brand, and it's stunning. Like the hardware's good quality, the leather's decent quality, the interior is nice, it holds a lot, and it's a good price point. And I like that it's also quiet luxury. Like you can tell that it's beautifully constructed, beautiful materials, but it's not screaming like, hey, I'm an Atelier Auguste bag. Not that many people will know what that is yet, which makes it even quieter. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know down in the comments what bag you pick up, because I'm dying to know. This is truly an amazing brand. Until next time, stay safe, have fun. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.